How do you use LearnSwitch? As a business-minded person, one thing's for sure, you're busy. This means rarely do you have spare time to sit in front of your computer and learn. However, we know business people spend between 5 to 10 hours a week in a vehicle traveling to and from work, and spend another 5 to 10 hours exercising at the gym, walking the dogs, or cooking dinner. Recognizing the opportunity, we got to work and we built a clever piece of technology called LearnSwitch. Basically, for every single video within our library, you get to decide how you want to consume that content. If you're sitting at your desk or at a coffee shop, you may wish to go video. However, if you need to do something physical, you can simply tap on the audio icon and the video will instantly become an audio-only podcast. And in case you are wondering, you can switch back and forth as many times as you like. The result of this is you'll learn 5 to 10 times more, and this will make you smarter and therefore more successful a lot faster. Now it's over to you. Give it a try. You'll never look back.